everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Subway Surfer on your mobile device. So in order to log into Subway Surfer, first of all go ahead and download the Subway Surfer application on your device and launch it open. After you load the game open, you can easily go ahead and tap on the screen to play the game. But if you want to log in so that you can track your progress, simply go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu. Under Connect, you can go ahead and connect to your Game Center account, Facebook account, or sign in with your Apple ID. Choose any one option to save your progress and restore your progress on multiple devices. I'm gonna choose the Connect Facebook option. Tap the Continue button in pop-up and follow through the instructions. You will then need to go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials, and after you do that, you will be able to log into your Subway Surfer account with your Facebook account. So that is how you easily log into Subway Surfer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.